Morning guys, July 5th, 2022. This is where I got a call from a guy. He's got two ACs. The second floor one's not working. He's had the system off for about a day, he said. So that's good. I can go by there now. A lot of these people, the system won't be working for 2-3 days and they keep the system on. I don't get it. I don't get these people that just leave the thing running. Oh, it's icing up, but I don't want to shut it off though. I know you're coming. It's like, guy, the thing's probably all flipping iced up, you dope. Fucking brain dead. If the thing ain't working, shut it off. Unbelievable, Molly. Anyway, we're going over there. This guy had a half a brain to shut it off a day ago, so. Not too common with some of these people with AC. They leave it running, they don't care. Just leave it running, let it burn out, no problem. Been running for 5 days, it's still not cooling. Okay. Huh?
How would it burn?
Yeah, just getting hot.
Oh yeah?
That's what happens when your wife had enough, she burns you.
Yeah.
Right?
She's on vacation. She's on vacation for 2 weeks. I don't know if we're going to be able to make it through the 2 weeks.
2 weeks for what?
2 weeks vacation.
I gotta get an adapter for this thing. I don't know if it's gonna be long enough. Yeah, should be alright. Is it gonna make it? I don't know. Might need another one. I got the power off here, so. She's on vacation for 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Is that good or bad? You don't even know.
Usually works 3 days a week in Boston, so she goes up there and comes back. And
we get another adapter for it and it should start. Hopefully. That's an easy fix. Easy's good.
cut it out. Good.
Will it work? I don't know. I guess we'll find out here, won't we? Alright, it's on here now. Tie this stuff back up. She should fire up. It's been cooling fine. It just, all of a sudden, it was just warm. No good. Burnt wire. Ain't rocket science. Ain't rocket science. I could hear the compressor try to start before it wouldn't start. Oh. Check the little burnt wire. Ready? Super heat. Just giving it a quick check. 63 on the suction. 22 on the super heat. That's fine right there. We're getting nice hot air coming out of here. See our super heat at 25. Suction at 63, that's fine. We're good with the charge. See how this is sweating? That's what you want to see, and you want to feel this is coming out hot. See it? Well, it should be, but, you know, it just fell down. I just want to make sure everything's okay for you, you know?